3, start.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Tadi bilang na.
Happy birthday, dear Samiksha. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama.
Hi Samiksha, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. May you have all the happiness round the year and in times to come. God bless you once again. Happy birthday. Hi dear Samiksha, wishing you a very happy birthday. I wish you love, hope and everlasting joy and happiness. And I hope your birthday be amazing as you are. Enjoy your day like anything. Lots of love to Naisa and Vyan. They are doing great job with father. Many happy returns once again. Have a blast. Stay blessed always. Keep smiling. And stay home. And see you soon, Samiksha. Lots of love, Madhu.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Samiksha ma'am. May joy, great surprises and love come your way on this special day and years ahead. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Wishing a very happy birthday to the coolest senior.
Hi Samisha, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with all happiness in life. You're a wonderful person, multi-talented personality, good mother too. And our association started at Firozpur. Along with Madam Suvarna was a memorable one. I still have very good memories of Firozpur. All our musical concerts, you along with Yogesh and Madam Suvarna rocked the platform of Firozpur and we all really enjoyed it. Then I was lucky to have you again at Pathankot with me. When I came to know that you were posted at Pathankot and Yogesh came and met me, I was, really very happy. A person to whom I can hand over labor room. That was my first thought in mind which came. And you are a quiet, wonderful person and have all good qualities. God bless you once again. I wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy and keep in touch. Bye. Take care.
Hi Samiksha, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with health, happiness and joy throughout your life.
Hello Samiksha, wish you a very happy birthday and many more to come. And many more surprises from Major Chauhan side. And stay happy, stay blessed, stay connected also. We really miss our golden days of TTC. Yeah. Wish we could spend such moments again. Thank you so much, Major Chauhan, for making this possible. And happy birthday once again, Samiksha. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday Samiksha.
Hey Miss, hi, hope you're doing good. I know it's a surprise for you and I know it's been a long time we were not in touch. It doesn't mean कि मैं आपको भूल गई हूँ because you are one of the sweetest and the prettiest lady whom I've met and most importantly the beautiful soul, one of the beautiful soul of my life. And here I am to wish you a very happy birthday and I wish you a very happy, healthy and successful life. Bye.
Happy birthday Bua. May God bless you with great health and all the happiness and success in life. Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Sam, happy birthday. छोटा सा क्लिप, छोटी सी wishes for you from me and my son. And I miss you a lot, darling. That was a really good time we had in Jabalpur. But कोई नहीं, फिर मिलेंगे, है ना?
and we'll have a gala time again. Stay blessed, dears. Stay safe, and भगवान आपकी सारी मनोकामनाएं पूरी करे. वैसे ही है या बदल गई? रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो गई है, सुना है मैंने. टेक केयर डियर. लव यू हमेशा.
Hi Samiksha, many happy returns of the day. Have a blast. और मुझे ज़रूर मिस करना.
हाय समीक्षा आंटी, कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड पार्टी हार्ड. कोविड है लेकिन तभी कोई बात नहीं, पार्टी हार्ड. आई मिस योर वॉइस एंड सॉन्ग्स. कैसी है? इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग. याद है फिरोजपुर कितना मज़ा करते थे हम लोग? वो पार्टीज, गाना बजाना, खाना, एवरीथिंग. आई रियली मिस यू यार. And before I forget, wish you many happy returns of the day. So, where are you nowadays? And how is your husband, Dhyan, Dizu, our sweet Dizu? He must have grown up now. किस क्लास में पढ़ रहा है? और you are still in service? Where are you posted at present? Last I heard you were in Jabalpur. उसके बाद में कहाँ चली गई पता ही नहीं चला. We lost the contact. Anyway, I wish you once again, many happy returns of the day, and party hard, enjoy the day, but कोरोना का ध्यान रखना. Okay, bye. और हो सकता है we meet somewhere sometime once again. Bye bye. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Samiksha, this is a video message for you as requested by Yogesh Chauhan. I must appreciate Yogesh's effort. The efforts that he takes. Every year he does something different for you, I guess. So this year it is this. There's these video messages. So a very happy birthday to you. Lots of love. God bless you. And I remember you as my best partner in Jabalpur. And I have those sweet memories with you. Going shopping, going to gym, salsa class. Lot of other things like mischiefs and those chit chats and gup shups and chugli sessions. Jokes apart. So may God bless you. May you have a happy, healthy life, and may God bless you all. And my regards to Yogesh as well. And he takes all the pains and goes off the limits to keep you happy. I see that. I don't see you doing that. So, but anyways, be as you are, simple and a bit lazy. You can improve upon that. और खुश रहो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, and stay in touch. I'll give you a call sometime. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Samiksha, how are you? First of all, a very happy birthday to you. May God give you a lot of happiness and success in your life. What I remember about you is that when I met you for the first time, I always felt, that you are a very mature and a very submissive and a very dignified lady. Whenever me and Anu talk, we always talk about you, and I always say these things about you. So I wish that you remain the same forever in your life. And I have heard that you are in Pathankot, so whenever you visit Jammu, do visit me, and we'll have lots of fun. So take care and enjoy your life. Bye.
Hi Samiksha, wish you a very happy birthday. I must say that Major Chauhan has always have found unusual ways to wish you on your birthday. I hope and I wish and I know that you must be having a great time in Pune. And remembering the old TTC times, it's so evergreen in my mind till now. The trio, you, me and Manisha, we are not there together definitely, but yes, we are wishing you from our heart over here, that we meet again and have a great time together and have fun together in the coming times. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have great fun, enjoy yourself, and God bless.
Hi Samiksha, wish you a very happy birthday.
Ma'am, good evening. Wish you a very happy birthday.
and you are very lucky that you got a husband like Chauhan, who is so enterprising,
हैक कर लिए
so romantic and so forthcoming. You are very very lucky. आपको 7 जन्मों तक ऐसा पति मिले और आप हमेशा खुश रहें. Wishing you a very very happy birthday, ma'am. God bless you and God bless the entire family. And Chaw, good initiative. I really appreciate. Do something for myself.
सिखा दो.
Do something for myself as well. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. Wish you very very happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
Hi.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Samiksha. Happy birthday to you. गाना गाए. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Samiksha. Happy birthday to you.
Cheers.
Stay blessed and happy always. We love you.
God bless you.
Love you so much. Thank you. Have a blast. Bye bye.